Let's do this basic number 21. Again, we see right away that we are just in a standard English grammar problem. I therefore ask myself, do I even need to read above the sentence that they are asking me about? I can notice from the answer choices, this is just a pronoun agreement question, right? With the there versus it's, also making sure that we understand the difference between it's with an apostrophe and it's and there with an apostrophe. So if I can jump back here, I actually am not going to read this whole thing. I'm just going to try to figure out to whom this underline is referring. And so if I look there, I can say, well, someone's findings. Is it its findings or their findings? So I back up from there and I notice that the sentence before is going to reference, let's see, a whole bunch of people actually. So let's just notice we've got British scientists James Watson and Francis Crick won the Nobel Prize in part for their paper. Okay, we don't really care announcing this. We don't really care, but it is misleading to say that Watson and Crick discovered. All right, we know these are just the same people, right? First names, last names. And so the only thing kind of subject we really have here are Watson and Crick. So we know that that is going to be plural. So we're going to be in the they, their land. And so then it just becomes a question of whether it's there as in they are or there as in possessive there. And we see here that they are possessing these findings. So if we substitute always this for they are, and we notice, well, that's not going to work. We can't say they are findings. So we know that it must be their findings possessing the findings. See, we are